Hey everyone, welcome to Foundation Armor. Today we're going to answer the question, how do I remove an old acrylic sealer? Well, depending on the type and condition of the sealer, you may be able to repair the acrylic instead of removing it completely. Most solvent-based acrylic sealers can easily be re-emulsified with Xylene or the Armor Blush Repair and allowed to properly recure. If your solvent-based acrylic sealer has turned white or developed bubbles, well, simply roll over the area with Xylene or the Armor Blush Repair for 30 to 60 seconds until the sealer gets tacky. Roll out and allow to cure. Also, you should perform this treatment in the late afternoon or early evening when air and surface temperatures are declining and when the surface is no longer positioned directly under the sun. You want to stay within the 50 to 85 Fahrenheit temperature range and keep the surface dry for at least 24 hours. So if the acrylic sealer can't be repaired and needs to be removed, you can use the Armor CR100 to remove water-based and solvent-based acrylic sealers. For complete instructions on how to use the Armor CR100, please check out our Armor CR100 video. Thanks for tuning in everyone, we hope this was an informative video. And don't forget to visit www.foundationarmor.com for more great videos and to purchase professional grade concrete sealers and coatings. I'll see you next time.